This is another episode of Apple of the Eye. I'm Nick, and I'm here at the Apple of the Eye Music Studio and Library, bringing you fresh talents from HAU. Well, now Charlene is not with me. I think she's still going gaga over the previous episode that we've had. But of course, I will be accompanied by an artist of ours. He was here during a previous episode. And of course, I'd like to welcome him, Raf Leones.
Yeah, my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, son.
No, I don't have buns. Sorry. Okay, so I'd like to congratulate you for a very job well done on your cover of Anaconda and Flawless.
Thank you.
That's right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you'd like to thank everyone.
I would like to thank everyone that has seen the video and keep supporting.
Alright, awesome. So, for this episode, we will be having an acoustic goddess with us. Raf?
Let us welcome Maureen Comeo.
Alright, Maureen Comeo, everyone. Alright, wow, doesn't she look lovely? Okay, so Maureen, would you like to tell us a little bit something about yourself?
Hi, I'm Maureen Comeo, 17 years old, from the College of Engineering and Architecture.
In architecture.
First year major in civil engineering.
Okay, I think, Raf, don't you think we have a lot of young talent here?
Yeah.
Very young.
So, yeah.
Okay. So, what are your musical influences?
My musical influence is my sister because she loves to sing a lot and she
And so-
teaches me to sing.
She teaches you to sing. So, so you're both into acoustic songs as well.
No, she's more on high pitch songs.
High pitch songs, like Ariana Grande type
Yes.
songs? Wow. Okay, so what do they call this? What, do you know how to play any instruments?
I practice the piano but I'm not really good at it.
And of course, practice will always make perfect in the future. And of course, Maureen will be singing the song I See Fire, which was sung, written, and composed. Oh, that's just to say. Never mind. It was a song by Ed Sheeran for the album of The Hobbit, Desolation of Smug. And of course, it's also available on his new album, Multiply, which was written back in 2013.
Let us now listen to Maureen's cover of I See Fire.
Oh, misty eye of the mountain below, keep careful watch of my brother's soul. And should the sky be filled with fire and smoke, keep watching over during suns. If this is to end in fire, then we should all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn on the mountainside. We should die tonight, then we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out, Father, oh, prepare us as we will watch the flames burn on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky, and I see fire inside the mountains. I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire hollowing souls, and I see fire, blood in the breeze, and I hope that you remember me. Oh, should my people fall, then surely I will do the same. Confined in mountain halls, we got too close to the flame, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky, and I see fire inside the mountains. I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire hollowing souls, and I see fire, blood in the breeze, and I hope that you remember me. And if the night is burning, I will cover my eyes, for if the dark returns, then my brothers will die. And as the sky is falling down, it crashed into this lonely town, and with their shadow upon the ground, I see my people screaming out. I see fire into the mountains. I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire hollowing souls, and I see fire, blood in the breeze, and I hope that you remember
Alright, that was a smoking cover of Icy Fire. Very nice.
Okay, congratulations, Maureen, for a job well done on that cover. Would you like to thank anyone, your friends, your family?
I want to thank my family and friends, and if you want to hear more from me, you can follow me at my SoundCloud account. That is at Maumau, MAUU.
Okay, awesome. Okay, we have another SoundClouder here, and I guess we'd see more of you in the future episodes of Apple of the Eye. And of course, if you'd like to see any more covers, just like us, follow us, tweet to us here at our social links down below. And of course, that's all the time that we have for today. My name is Nick.
And I'm Raph.
And I'm Mau.
This week's Apple of the Eye.